The Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Shillong College, in collaboration with Meghalaya Institute of Entrepreneurship Government of Meghalaya, felicitated the students who have completed the 3-month course on entrepreneurship development today. Lambor Malngyang assured the students to support them to stand on their own feet. A lot of returnees have returned back to the state and are looking for jobs, and such training programs are beneficial to them, he added.
Our esteemed
PKIM. And I will ensure that you will be able to stand on your own feet. I have learned something between the pandemic. I have noticed numbers of returnees who have to come back to their own states, who have been working in different capacity and looking for job. No job. And I exercise my mind. Let us come up with a new idea. Let me put forward with a new concept how to come up with a better facilities to facilitate the young, educated, unemployed youth.
Meghalaya government has initiated a program called